Kommen wir jetzt in unserem nächsten Vortrag. Operations Intelligence ist das große Thema dabei. Wir haben da einen kleinen Film vorbereitet dazu.
Your plants generate a mountain of data. Imagine sorting through it all to find information you need to make real-time decisions. XHQ Operations Intelligence software delivers complex data in a clear format to your fingertips. XHQ pulls and organizes relevant data from all of your operations and business systems. With a dashboard tailored to your needs, you can quickly access data anywhere at any time on your desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Its smart design and simple navigation allow users at all levels of your team to make faster, empowered decisions. XHQ is a proven solution for improving collaboration across your teams, no matter where they are. The focused insight you gain by using XHQ can help you discover process improvements that last. With its simple setup, budget-friendly options, and forward-looking design, XHQ is your partner for rapid decision-making for the digital journey ahead.
Swapping over into English language now. You're having an idea what this helmet is about? Why am I wearing it? Guys, come closer. We do have a lot of seats here, and don't worry, it's not dangerous here. This is not why I'm wearing this helmet. So take a seat, give your feet a break. Come on, it's been exhausting all day, I'm pretty sure. And I can see a lot of things through this lens, you have no idea. But if you want to get a glimpse into what I'm seeing and what this helmet can do, and how you can benefit from it, I think you should come here, take a seat, and listen to my colleague, the expert, Robert Waltersdorfer, came all the way from the US with a nice Arnold Schwarzenegger accent, by the way. And he will tell you more about rapid decision-making for the digital journey ahead. And my rapid decision-making is, I'm off the stage, and Robert is on. Please.
Thanks, Christina. Hi, everybody. Rapid decision-making for the digital journey ahead. Digitalization is changing our lives in many aspects. Like, for example, how we watch TV at home. Of course, we want to sit in the living room and watch TV on a big screen. But we also want to see a movie or watch TV when we are on the road, for example, driving a car that the kids can watch TV. Or we want to watch TV if we have a break, or when we brush the teeth. We want to see it on a mobile device. We want to see it on a tablet. Basically, anytime, anywhere. Another example is when we listen to music. We want to listen to music at home when we have the big stereo device at home, or we want to listen to music when we go for a run, or when we also drive with the car. We want to listen to music basically also anytime and anywhere. And that's also true for process industries. We also want to have the information available anytime, anywhere to make better decisions. And this you can see, for example, when we are in the office. We want to see, of course, the information when we sit in front of our desktop. We also want to see the information when we, for example, work from home, when we are on the road, when we are traveling, but also when we are just switching between meetings or want to know something when we are in a meeting. Another example is when we are also out in the plant. We also want to see the information that we need anytime, anywhere. When we do inspection rounds, when we do maintenance work, when we do operator rounds, we want to see what tasks need to be done, what information is needed to do the job. We want to see that right in time, and we want to have the information available anytime and anywhere to make better decisions. So let me just show you now a little bit how XHQ works, how the XHQ portfolio looks like. So basically, XHQ is then gathering data from many disparate systems, like, for example, business systems, which are mostly relational data, and on the other hand side, also from plant systems, which also have a lot of real-time information available. And business systems can be like SAP, HR systems, planning systems, document repositories, maintenance systems, or engineering systems. So many different systems where we have connectors, where we can import data. And on the other side, on the plant systems, we import information from process historians. We have a lot of native connectors and also support a lot of open standards there. We also import data from other operations and maintenance systems, as well as like LIMS, laboratory information systems, or other systems. And then we aggregate all that information together in the XHQ intelligence model. And from there, we contextualize then the information for the specific role, for the specific user, that the user has the right information available to then make better decisions and then respond and grow the business. And what you can see also on top, we can visualize on many different devices. Like, for example, if you're in the control room and you have the big board, you want to see everything what's going on in the plant, or if you're sitting in front of the desktop, you want to have the information available that is specifically needed to make the decisions for the specific role. And of course, on notebook devices, phones, tablets, and also on wearable devices. And now let me show something more about how an XHQ screen looks like. You can see here a desktop environment. This is a very rich visualization because the experts want to see all the information, what's going on in the plant. This is built with our engineering environment called the XHQ workbench, where you can design all the different widgets, all the different tiles, like charts, trends, table controls, like a GIS map. That's what can be seen also on this desktop device. Then, of course, also on notebook devices. Here you can see one example for the batch industry, and where you can compare in a batch analyzer two batches. Basically, you can get the golden batch and then compare another batch. What is the difference and where you can improve your business. You can also see there are some trender elements. Okay, and now with our new version, XHQ 5.0, you can also design screens for tablets and for mobile devices right in our workbench. And that's very good, because you can have now also the information available on your mobile devices to make better decisions anytime and anywhere. You can see already here some examples. One example is about reliability. You can see some charts right there. You can see some controls, some table controls. On the other side, you can also see some charts and some table controls. And now let me also show you more in the software. I can show you right on this mobile device how XHQ look like and give you a better idea what else you can do. You can see here the typical landing page of XHQ. This is the first page if you open our XHQ demo. And then from there, if I click, I can open additionally the navigation. In the navigation, you can select which view you want to look at. Alternatively, you can click also directly at the icon right here if you want to open a specific view. I open now a view for refining operations intelligence. Here you can see the KPIs on the left-hand side. For example, the lagging indicators or refinery utilization or in energy efficiency. On the other side, you can see like commercial information, like the price per gallon and also how that evolved over the last week, and also with the whole trend of this KPI. In another example, you can see that also XHQ can import the process flow diagrams and then show here how the plant is performing with the actual against the plan. And you can see all what's going on in your plant in real time. Here is another example on safety performance. You can see, for example, the HSE incidents year to date, where you can see it in a, now it's right there, in a chart, and also how the environmental parameters are moving over time in the trend below. Another one, for example, where you can see some KPIs on utilization, also some nice charts here, and also a trender. And one shows the key performance indicators. You can see here a traffic light and also year-to-date percentage of target, as well On the right-hand side, you have like the ability to create annotations. So if you want to record something regarding this KPI, or send an email, or give somebody a call if something is not right. Okay, these were the examples directly on the mobile phone to give you an idea of what is possible. In addition to that, and what you saw also before when Christine was walking on stage, we have also the ability to show data on augmented reality devices, like this helmet from our partner Kpis. It's a smart helmet enabling augmented reality. And if you see through the lens, you can see what you can see right there in black. Black means where you can see through, and the white information is then projected right where you look at. So for example, if you look at a pump, you can then see your performance indicators, you can see the trend, you can see this information right in time to make better decisions when you are working in the plant. And the big advantage is you have your hands free, you can work right away, get your information from XHQ over the integrated data gateway, and have the information right away available to make better decisions anytime and anywhere. Okay, then I can also show something more, what we have on our Station 50. We also have there XHQ running on a MindSphere machine. We have installed this together with Kpis. And you can see XHQ screens running on MindSphere and then navigating if you need more information on a certain asset to Kpis, to the Kpis software, where you get more information on engineering or on operations. For example, you can open there and P&ID drawing in Kpis, do some annotations, do some redlining, and then go back to XHQ to also see further information. You can see that and visit us at Station 50. There we can show also the helmet, the augmented reality device, also how we display on MindSphere. You can also see XHQ in the vending machine from MindSphere. So XHQ is there visible in the MindSphere apps. So if you go there, please take a look at it. Also look for XHQ. One slide to sum up. XHQ can provide many benefits. The main three ones are to access all information. And with that information contextualized for your specific role, you then have the ability to make faster, more empowered decisions. And this pays back. This is what our customers give us as feedback. These are the business results at a glance. For example, 8% reduction in the operating costs, or 9% increase in facility utilization, 2.5% increase in operational availability, and 11% increase in production. We are driving and innovating operations in next level of operations intelligence with XHQ. Rapid decision making for the digital journey ahead, this is our claim. You can also find us on Station 50, like mentioned. Please visit us there. We can show you there how XHQ looks like. We can show you our demo. We can show you how XHQ is running on mobile devices, as well as how XHQ is running on the helmet with the augmented reality device, and also how XHQ works on MindSphere. Thanks a lot.
The machines. No, it's just the...